Four Bugattis on the way, another Koenigsegg.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are with my boy GGEXOTICS.
Yeah!
We are gonna be going for a drive in the Bugatti. I don't know how it's pronounced.
I think it's called the Bugat and then Thai.
Bugatti.
Bugatti.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You're good. Let's go.
You would probably ever drive, like, Riley's filming me on the camera and I know it looks so dumb. But guys, for what did you say? Lily, a sports car, this is probably the smoothest, like,
Most luxury supercar, hypercar.
yeah, supercar. Just a little pull real quick.
Just a little pull real quick.
Gosh, dude, those turbos are so nice. That 12 capo, no.
Oh, watch out for the 12.
And the capo. Guys, this is the inside of the Bugatti. I don't know if y'all have ever seen the Bugatti like fully inside like this. The blue is insane. I don't know. This car is just so lit. Riley, what you think of this car?
This thing is insane.
Guys, I got a GoPro on my head. I look kind of funny. There's a yellow light. We're just gonna give it a little push and go do that. Guys, I love this car. As we finna get on the tollway, or the Dallas North Tollway, the best highway to go fast on, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Nah, we're not gonna go too fast, guys. I just wanna give y'all a good look at the inside of this car, because it's just insane. There's not too much going on inside. I feel like a lot of hypercars have too much going on inside, you know? Like the Bugatti, too much. But I mean, still a nice car, you know what I'm saying?
And you know I had to have the kicks to match.
Them kicks are fire, but this Bugatti is more fire! Woo! Guys, this car just goes, man. This car just goes.
You struggling?
Damn, I need a haircut, man.
Hey.
Oh my god, this Jeep is really gonna go. Ah! Whacked my head. Guys, I just whacked my head on the freaking ceiling because the GoPro on my head is sticking up.
We're going for another round on the highway.
Totally. The highway looks a little packed, so we probably not gonna go too fast, but we gonna give it a little push. Oh my god, dude, this car just goes, bro. It just goes. Alright, everybody scoot over. Bugatti coming. I just want to really take a stroll with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Go, you freaking Nissan!
That's the one bad part about driving a really fast car on the highway is that you never ever have room to go fast.
Yeah, I know. Well, you usually do, but I mean, it is like 4 p.m. on a Monday, so everybody's kind of come home.
Yeah, they're on their way home from work. So we picked a bad time to do this. Maybe we need to do it like 8 in the morning or like 10 at night.
You mean like 3 a.m.?
3 a.m.? Should we go
Hey
for
guys, watch it. We go do a little. Wow! Whoa! Guys, this car is way too fun. Guys, I promise I'm being safe. I checked my surroundings.
And we just went 0 to 75 to get on the highway. And
Guys, comment down below what miles an hour y'all just saw on the screen. If y'all can see it.
we were only going like, what, 75 to 80?
Oh, 20?
What? This feels good again.
It feels good. Guys, this is my first time driving a hypercar with Riley.
First time in a long time.
Since before I crashed, so this is only my 4th time driving a car since I crashed.
Period.
And I actually just drove for the 3rd time like 2 days ago.
Hey, we're back.
Yeah, we're back and better. I feel
We're
more
back and we're
comfortable.
better.
I feel more comfortable. Now it's just time to go race T-Fox.
T-Fox, bring down that Huracan, boy.
You don't want no smoke. You don't want no. Get your. Oh, my GTR does doors with the loft. Shut your ass up, man.
Did you see Tanner's last video where he was trying to race the guy with the Veyron?
Oh yeah.
The all gold Veyron?
Yeah.
I think this thing would win.
Oh, out of all of them, yeah. Hey guys, comment down below if we should race Tanner Fox while he's racing I forget his name. It's with the gold Veyron in San Diego.
The attorney guy.
Yeah, the attorney guy. Comment down below if all three of us should race for a little pink slip.
They don't want that smoke.
I don't want that smoke on that.
Take a look at this key though. This key is clean. It matched the shoes, it matched the car, matched his big old head.
My shorts. Bro, we blued out today.
We blued out. We're back at the house. Like I said, I got the kicks to match. We're about to have a little Instagram photo session. If you haven't already, follow me down below at Ride with Rye on Instagram and GG Supercars, GG Exotics down below. Yeah. That's stressful. Why is that so stressful?
$4 million.
Stressful, man. All right, we're back at the crib. We got the Bugatti parked in its place, but man, look at this trifecta right here. The Regera, the Bugatti, and the LaFerrari. The Holy Trinity is the P1, the 918, and the LaFerrari. So we have one of them right here.
Dude, I don't have these three, those three.
I know.
This is the Holy Trinity.
This should be the Holy Trinity. A Bugatti Chiron, a Regera, and a LaFerrari.
And 4 Pagani's on the way, another Koenigsegg, a Senna, probably a, I'm not gonna say that.
I thought the Senna was going bye-bye.
That sold it.
So if you're in the market for a Senna, just like slide in my DMs and I'll get the finder's referral fee, I guess, maybe. But I love that car. Seriously. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe and go look at GG Exotics, Gage's POV of that Bugatti, because it's gonna be pretty sick. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Catch on a second. 3, 2, 1.